So I've just spent some time testing the Sony Xperia VIII against the iPhone 17 Pro, and honestly, these two couldn't be more different in how they shoot. Sony is all about that real camera feel. You get larger sensors, a 48MP triple setup, and very natural-looking photos with almost no heavy processing. In daylight, it feels like you're shooting with a compact mirrorless camera. Super clean, super authentic, but not overly polished. Apple, on the other hand, is the definition of point-and-shoot convenience. Everything comes out ready for social media, thanks to smart HDR and the photonic engine. Images are punchy, bright, and instantly shareable. Zoom is where things split again. Sony sticks to a 70mm prime telephoto, while Apple's 100mm tetraprism gives you stronger long-range reach. At night, Sony keeps things darker and more realistic, while Apple aggressively brightens scenes. And for video? Sony wins on manual control, but Apple still leads in easy pro-level workflows. Different tools, same goal.